This how-to video is going to go over how to restart the AMS or Advanced Monitoring and Scheduling, the service that runs this application. Generally, if you have an issue, the technician may tell you to stop and start this service. The other one could be if you've imported a new AMS database, you need to stop and start it so that it'll go ahead and register that with the system. So we go into the VT3000 core software here. So we want to be under the control center, which is under administration, control center. And basically we want to go to our applications tab right here. And as you can see, you'll have all the different services that are running for those apps. So the one you're looking for in this case would be AMS service. So you just want to click on it. And it's going to load the properties page over here. And basically you get this square button, which is essentially the stop. So we're going to do where we stop. That's going to stop the service. If you have a really busy system, you could see like a skull and crossbones here, which just means that it hasn't stopped yet. So all you have to do is just hit this refresh once or twice. It could take it like anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds to stop, depending on how busy of a system you have. But once you've hit this refresh and you've got this play or start arrow icon back, just want to go ahead and click to start. And here's that skull and crossbones that I was talking about. So essentially it's just taking time starting. So now, as you can see, now I have my stop bucket back. So it's ready to go. That'll conclude this video on how to stop and start the AMS service. Look forward to talking to you again.